Crab meat egg drop soup in just 5 minutes. Do you want to know the secret to getting those perfect egg ribbons every time? Chop some scallions. In a bowl, crack 4 eggs. And whisk. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch. You can also replace it with sweet potato starch, or arrowroot starch, and mix it with water to make a slurry. It helps to thicken the soup. In a pot over high heat, add the unsalted chicken stock and season it with salt. Bring it to a simmer and add the crab meat. And cook for about 1 minute until heated through. You can add anything you like to it. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite add-ins. Add the cornstarch slurry and let the egg drop soup thicken slightly. Here's the important part. Reduce the heat to medium and slowly drizzle in the beaten eggs in a circular motion. Here's the tip that always works. For thinner egg ribbons, stir as you pour. For larger egg ribbons, wait a few seconds before stirring. Add the sesame oil, white pepper, scallions. I have been making egg drop soup since I was a little kid, and honestly, I can eat it all day, every day. I can find a way to transform nearly every soup into egg drop soup. How about you? What is your go-to soup when you want something quick and comforting? You can also pair with my quick and easy lo mein. Click here for the video. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!